Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guy, where today I'm going to show you how you can log in into a Sling employee account. As you know, Sling is a free shift scheduling app and communication software. It is built around four main features with shift, messages, newsfeed and tasks, making it one of the most useful and easy to use software. So guys, to just log into your account, just go on to any of your web browser and on the search bar, just type in Sling employee login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click the first link that pops up on your screen. Now it will take you to our official website of Sling, where you need to put in your credentials in order to log into your account. As you can see, you need to put in your correct email address and correct password. And also don't forget to tick this captcha in order to identify you as a human being. And after doing so, just click on login. Or either if you have a Google Play account or an Apple ID, you can also log in through your Google account or Apple account. If you already have an account, just put in your email address and password. After doing so, hit on login and you will be logged in into your Sling account. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful, and if you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell and also comment down for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.